Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and libraries so you can authenticate and call Power BI immediately. Create an Azure AD app, create a client secret, and record client ID and tenant ID. This lets your ASB. NET server request tokens. Once done, enable a service principal or configure a master user in Power BI and grant the app workspace permissions. Finally, add the Power BI, NET SDK, and Microsoft Identity. Client NuGet packages to your project, so authentication and API calls are ready. You now implement the middle flow, authenticate, fetch resources, and mint embed tokens. Use MSAL on the server to request an AAD token for HTTPS//analysis. Windows, net/powerby/API/. Next, call Power BI REST endpoints to list workspaces and reports so you obtain group ID and report ID dynamically. This avoids hard coding. Once you identify the report and dataset, call the Generate Token API to produce an embed token scoped to the report with proper roles and expiry, making sure to cache tokens. You finish by wiring the client. Send embed URL, report ID, and a short-lived embed token from your server to the browser over HTTPS. On the client, initialize Power BI client, embed the report element, and apply settings like filters or view mode. Make sure tokens are generated server-side, not exposed in source code, and refresh or re-request tokens before expiry. If embedding fails, verify Azure AD app permissions, workspace role assignments, and that the embed token's expiry and effective identities match expected dataset row-level security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.